I'm Ryan from Super Rare Games. I'm the head of saying stuff, which basically just means I do all the PR and communications and help with cool videos like this. So we're Super Rare Games, so what we do is physical releases of digitally only games for the Nintendo Switch, usually indie games. So kind of the best things that we have here are that we have games that usually sell out really fast. So games that are 4,000 copies, 5,000 copies. We've released things like Worms, Snake Pass, The Gardens Between, Eater. So yeah, lots of really interesting, diverse, varied indie games that have previously come out digitally and sometimes have sort of had their day, and we can bring them to physical releases so people can have them on their homes and keep them permanently. I'm sort of just showing off at EGX just sort of some of our games we've had before, some of the physical stuff. We've also got like some developer friends that are developing a game called Grapple Dog that we're not officially working on yet, but he wanted to show it off. We had a free booth and it's a really cool platformer. So yeah, like it's been a great event. Like loads of people are crowded around playing these games and collecting our super rare games. And yeah, hopefully people can check us out on the interwebs as well.